Hello.
Hello. Today you are going to learn how to use Tinkercad to design your own 3D model. My daughter and I, we attended a workshop in New York. We went to a store, MakerBot, where we learned the program Tinkercad on how to make some real nice, cool objects.
For instance, we made a phone dock where you get to sit your phone, let it charge, or watch a video. We also was able to make a 3D model of New York. And we also made an astronaut.
Boys and girls, we're going to show you how to use the program Tinkercad and the different tools that you could use in order to create your model. Also, boys and girls, I want you to pay close attention so that way tomorrow when you come to class, you're going to work with partners. But first, let me write down what the lesson you will actually create using the program Tinkercad. You're going to create a 3D model using the program Tinkercad. Tomorrow I'm going to expect you to work in groups, and I expect each and every one of you to participate in the group and use the tools that you learned tonight to create your model. First, you're going to go on the internet and log on to the website tinkercad.com. Once you log in, you will see a diagram just like the one you see right here on this very screen. On your left, you will see some arrows, which are your view control buttons. And if you notice the workspace, you can move it in different directions. On the right, you will find shapes where you can actually use to create your design. To move the shape, click, hold, and drag it to the workspace. Now, why don't you grab one of the, grab a box. To zoom your object in and out, press the plus and minus button, which is located on the left of the screen. You could click on the shape to move the object around. If you look at the top of the box, you will see a little white square button and on the side. And you could click on those to change the size of your object. There's also arrows that you can use to rotate your shape. Move it to the left, to the right, up, down, sideways, all sorts of directions. Now, Nigel, why don't you go over to the side and why don't you choose a cylinder, bring it on in. For our design, we want to use a cylinder inside the box. And if you need to make adjustments, now's the time to do so. If you want to change the shape at the same time, after you make adjustments, what you do is you click and hold on the workspace. And you drag the select box over all the objects. And there's another way you could do it. The other way is by holding down the shift key and click the desired shapes. The next step you will learn is how to make holes. Nigel, why don't you go over and grab another box and drag it over. If you notice, Nigel is shifting the workplace in different directions so she can position the box. She hit the arrows to rotate. Okay, now she just put the box where she wants it to be. To copy and paste, you go to the top where you see edit. Click on copy and paste. You can click on it multiple times to make as many holes as you want. Now we'll group all our shapes together. After we position them, we're going to click on only on the ones we want to make the holes to position together.
So now I'm going to go into the inspector box and I'm going to click hole. Now for our model, I want to select the 3 holes that I just made and adjust it. So I'm going to go on and make my adjustments. Because I only want to take out a small piece.
Oh wow, nice job, nice job.
So now I'm going to group my shapes together. I'm going to select everything that I just worked with, and right here where it says group, I'm going to just click it. And now you see my final work.
I know you're probably wondering what it is. Well, Nigel and I, we just created a bag clip to keep our lunch fresh.
So say you open up a bag of chips, you can use this and it keeps it closed.
After you create your 3D model, make sure you save it. Go to where it says design, click on save, and you may name your object. Now it's ready for printing. I have a mini video that I would like to show you so you will see how the 3D printer works. If you notice, you see a model of a man. They took a digital picture of a man, and they actually created a model from the image. And if you look right here, this is actually the 3D printer in action. It uses these plastic coils right here on the side and melts them and layer them in order to create the image. And something like this, I would say it probably takes approximately 5 to 8 hours to create, maybe more. Boys and girls, I look forward to seeing you in the morning. Get a good night rest. And I would like to say thank Nigel for assisting me with the lessons. See you tomorrow.
All right, take care. Have fun.